My biggest congratulations to all the 2025 Responsible Care Award winners. Chevron is proud to be the co-sponsors of this year's event. As a manufacturer of lubricants additives, we've benefited in many ways from the strong leadership of SCIC and is aligned with the Responsible Care program. Here in Chevron Oronite, safety is our utmost concern, and all of us work hard to ensure we get to go home safely to our loved ones every day. And I am pleased that Chevron Oronite has been recognized for our past efforts. First, the Excellence in Energy Greenhouse Gas Management Award by Singapore's National Environmental Agency in 2023 for efforts in lowering carbon intensity of our operations. Secondly, a Safety Officer Money was the sole winner of the WSH Safety Officer Award in 2024. Through the Responsible Care program, we develop a series of initiatives that we promote with our third-party service providers. Some of these initiatives include third-party facilities assessment, road transport safety audits, and emergency response drills. To conclude, I'd like to extend my heartfelt congratulations once again to all the 2025 Responsible Care Award winners. Together, we can achieve even greater milestones and make a positive impact on our industry and the communities we serve. Thank you.